Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, I will show you how to share YouTube link on Instagram story in detailed steps. So, let's start the video. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. What if you want to link to your entire video instead of sharing a snippet with stickers? Open the YouTube video you want to share. Click the Share button below the video. Select the option to copy link. Open Instagram and tap on the plus sign to create new content, then select Story from the options. Select a photo as a background from your camera roll or tap on Create to add a color background for your story. Tap at the top and select Link with the chain icon. Paste the link into the URL section. Customize your story with text, stickers, or other features. Post your story. You can't directly repost a YouTube video on Instagram stories. However, you can instead download your YouTube video to your phone and reformat it to fit Instagram stories. First, download your YouTube video. If it's your video, find the original file you uploaded and access it on your phone using a file sharing app like Google Docs or OneDrive. If you no longer have the original video, go to YouTube Studio on your phone and download it directly. You can download your own videos in the app. Alternatively, use a tool like 4K Video Downloader. You just have to copy the link of the video that you wanted to download and just paste on the tool. Ensure to download the file in a format Instagram accepts, .mp4 or .mov. Using a free video editor like CapCut, iMovie, iPhone, or InShot, Android, resize your video to the aspect ratio of Instagram stories, 9:16. Cut one or more clips from your full-length video under 60 seconds, the maximum length for Instagram stories. Resize the video aspect ratio, 9:16, and export the video. After exporting the video, open Instagram. Tap the plus sign to create new content, and then select Story from the options. Browse for your newly edited YouTube video among your phone's files. Customize your story with text, stickers, or other features. Post your story. So this is all about how to share YouTube link on Instagram story in detailed steps. If you found this video useful, then give it a like and subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos.
Thanks for watching.